Hello everyone, welcome to the Setting Up Your Development Environment course. I'm Victor Ezekiel and I'm excited to be your instructor for this journey into the world of web development. Before we dive into the technical details, I want to tell you a bit why I created this course. So, why did I create this course? Well, it's because I want to make your journey into web development as smooth as possible. I know that the initial setup can be a daunting task and it's crucial to get it right to save time and reduce headaches down the road. Okay? Now, in this course, we'll start learning from the beginning. Whether you're a total beginner or someone looking for to refresh their knowledge, we've got you covered. We'll cover everything from choosing the right operating system to installing the necessary tools and setting up version controls. But it's not just theory. We're going to roll up your sleeves and get our hands dirty with practical, hand-on exercises. You'll be setting up your own development environment alongside me, step by step. By the end of this course, you have the skills and confidence to create development environments tailored to your specific needs. Our course is divided into X modules, each focusing on a specific aspect of setting up your development environment. We'll start simple and gradually work our way up to more complex topics. And remember, I'm here to help. If you have questions, need clarification, or get stuck, don't hesitate to reach out in the discussion forums. So, whether you're dreaming of becoming a full stack developer, a web designer, or just to tinker with code, you are in the right place. I can't wait to embark on this learning journey with you. So, let's get started. So, now I'm going to teach you how to set up Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is your text editor that you're going to use to create your websites, and we're going to create a first website today. But you also need a web browser, either Firefox or Chrome, but Chrome is highly preferred. I use Firefox sometimes, so in this course I'm going to use Firefox. So now let's go and search. This is what you're going to search for. We're going to learn about text editors and web browsing. So now we go to Google. So when you go to Google, it will bring out this. So when you go to Google, you just search for Visual Studio Code download. So you download it either on Windows, Mac, or Linux. So now when you download Visual Studio Code, it will come out in a form like this. Visual Studio Code will come out and you set it up. When you set it up, when you set Visual Studio Code up, you create a folder for it. After creating a folder, you create a file. You can name it anything, but it must end with .html. If you want to create an HTML file, end with .html. So now let's create our first project. So we're going to name our project my first project. So now let me create a new file, my first project .html. So this is how to come out. So now if you want everything to be written out down for you, you just create an exclamation mark and then press enter. Hope you understand that. An exclamation mark, then enter. So you come to this title of your website. Let me explain everything about it. Doc type HTML is the document type of your the document you are using is called HTML. That is what we call the doc type. The document type is HTML. So the HTML language is English. You can put any language. So the head of your website, increase the scale of the screen. So now we go to the title. The title of your website is what will be shown on the browser, on the tab of the browser on your laptop. So now let's name it my first project. So now this is my first project. So we have created the title for this website. The next thing we need to create is we need to create the next thing we need to create, you know, h1 tag. H1 means heading 1. So H1, there's H1, there's H2, there's H3, there's H4, there's H5, and there's H6. H6 is the smallest. As they go one by one, that's how they become small. H1 the biggest, H2 getting small, H3 then getting smaller, H4 like that. I will show you an example of that. So now let's write hello web development. Hello web development. So this is just a H1 tag. Let's save it and then come here, right click, you reveal in file. I don't use live server for now, so later I'm going to install it. You see, it displays on the website. This is our H1. This here is our title. Hope you understand now. So now let's go back to the code. So this is an H1. Let's create a P tag. P is called a paragraph. This is a paragraph. This is called a paragraph. So if we open our website, we refresh the page, you see that this is a paragraph. Hope you understand this. That is how to set it up. So now you save the HTML file, you open it in your web browser by double clicking on it. You should see hello web development displayed in your browser. Congratulations, you have successfully set up your basic web development environment and created your first web page. Feel free to expand on this environment by installing additional tools and framework as your web development journey continues. So thank you for watching this video. The next video I'm going to teach about and we're going to learn is about basics of HTML and CSS. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and thank you for watching. Share this video. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye.